Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest tech gadgets. Today, we're diving into the world of dual monitor switches, focusing on the TESmart HDMI KVM switch. If you're in the market for the best dual monitor switch for two computers, you've come to the right place. Let's kick things off by exploring what makes the TESmart HDMI KVM switch stand out from the competition. This versatile device is designed to streamline your workspace by allowing you to connect two computers to two monitors with ease. Whether you're a multitasking professional or a dedicated gamer, this switch has you covered. Now, let's delve into the key features that set this switch apart. First and foremost, the TESmart HDMI KVM switch supports Ultra HD 4K resolution at 60 Hz, delivering stunning visuals for your dual monitor setup. Plus, with eDID emulators in each input port, you can say goodbye to the hassle of constantly adjusting display settings. Compatibility is crucial when it comes to tech gadgets, and the TESmart HDMI KVM switch doesn't disappoint. Whether you're using a wired, wireless, mechanical, or gaming keyboard and mouse, this switch has you covered. Plus, with its seamless switching capabilities, you can toggle between your two computers with ease. But wait, there's more. The TESmart HDMI KVM switch also offers immersive sound with its built-in DAC chip for stereo audio output. Whether you're listening to music or engaging in a virtual meeting, you'll enjoy crystal-clear audio without any distortion or interference. Switching between your two computers is a breeze with the TESmart HDMI KVM switch. Whether you prefer using the included remote, buttons, or hotkeys, you can easily manage your devices without the hassle of constantly swapping cables. But don't just take my word for it. Customers rave about the TESmart HDMI KVM switch, praising its ease of setup, performance, and value for money. With over 1,600 ratings and an average of 4 out of 5 stars, it's clear that this switch is a crowd favorite. In conclusion, if you need a reliable dual monitor switch for two computers, look no further than the TESmart HDMI KVM switch. With its impressive features, user-friendly design, and positive customer feedback, it's truly the best choice for streamlining your workspace. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews on the latest tech gadgets. Until next time, happy switching!